Come to the next topic, find oxidation number. So oxidation number is the charge assigned by the atom or the metal or ion. So the tips for the determination of oxidation number, elementary state or atomic state like copper, silver, gold, iron, sulfur 8 and niobium, or any gaseous states, nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, fluorine have zero oxidation state. If it is the atomic state, they are called as the elementary state, means there is no oxidation number at all. Next rule is for hydrogen, always +1 only. Exception, metal hydrides. If it is in a hydrides, metallic hydrides, hydrogen oxidation number is -1. Calcium hydride, hydrogen valency is -1. Sodium hydride, hydrogen valency is -1. Hydrogen, it carries a -1 oxidation number in case of metal hydrides. Oxygen, all compounds, almost all compounds will carry -2. Some exceptions are there in a fluorine compounds only. Fluorine compounds, for example, OF2. O2F2 will carry plus charge. That 2 OF2 plus 2 oxygen, O2F2 plus 1 oxygen, and H2O2, hydrogen peroxide, sodium peroxides. So this is called peroxide. And in peroxide, oxygen valency is -1. In peroxides, hydrogen valency is -1. In superoxides, for example, potassium superoxide, KO2, the oxygen valency is -2. Please by heart these exceptions, you will score many more marks. For fluorine, -1 always. First A elements are alkaline earth, alkali metals, +1 valency. Second A are alkaline earth metals, that is a +2 valency. Alkali metals are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium is the liquid radioactive metals. And second A, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. Radium is the radioactive elements. This is called alkaline earth metals, and the alkali metals are first A group. For example, K2Cr2O7, chromium, we should find out the oxidation number of chromium. Potassium +1 valency, sodium also +1. Generally, you please by heart now, potassium +1, sodium +1, hydrogen +1, oxygen -2. If you know this, we can calculate the rest of the atoms. For example, potassium +1, I told you, how many potassium are there? 2 potassium, +1 into 2. Next, we have to calculate for a chromium. So it has 2 chromium. So to put 2x plus adding all the charges. So 7 oxygen, the valency of oxygen is -2. 7 into -2, -14. The total charge of the compound is 0. It is a neutral compound, is equal to 0. If it is a charge, you put the charge. If there is no charge, put 0. So +2 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 2. Then plus 2x. 7 into -2, -14 equal to 0, +2 and -14, -12. 2x minus 12 equal to 0. So therefore 2x equal to +12. Therefore x is equal to 12 by 2 equal to +6. The one chromium valency is +6. This is the way of finding the valency of any element in particular compound. Another example. ClO4 minus, we should find out the oxidation number of chlorine. Chlorine, keep it as a X. Plus, how many oxygen? 4 oxygen is given in the question. We know the valency of the oxygen is -2. 4 into -2 equal to the total charge of the ion compound is -1. So X -8 equal to -1. When this -1 get inside, it becomes +1. So x -7 equal to 0. When the -7 goes out, it becomes +7. So the oxidation state of chlorine is +7. Next example, NH4 plus. Find the oxidation state of nitrogen, keep it as a X. Plus 4 hydrogen, valency is 1, +1. So equal to the charges, whole charge is +1. So X plus 4 equal to +1. When this +1 get inside, becomes -1. So x plus 4 minus 1 equal to 0. So x plus 0, +4 minus 1 is nothing but +3. So when this +3 go outside, it becomes a -3. So the oxidation state of nitrogen is -3. The next example, CrO5, chromium peroxide. Chromium, this is called chromium peroxide, not pentoxide. Chromium peroxide, CrO and O2 twice. This O2 is nothing but peroxide. Peroxide means oxygen valency is -1. Ordinary oxygen is a -2. So peroxide was enclosed in a closed bracket. So chromium plus for this oxygen is 1. Ordinary oxygen valency is -2 plus peroxides are 2 into 2, 4. For peroxide, oxygen valency is -1. So -1 into 4, -4. And 1 into -2, -2 plus x. So -2 and -4, no charge at all. So equal to 0. -6, when you come outside, it becomes a +6. So the chromium valency is +6. So this is the way, this is very, very important. It is a butterfly structure. Already we studied in this, description box, I put this structure of CrO5. It is a butterfly structure. Chromium peroxide means carries -1 valence. Thanks for watching, students.